Okay. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Okay, children. So today we will discuss about graphical solution of linear equation in two variable. Okay. Last day we have studied how can we find out. How can we find out whether the given system of equations are they consistent or inconsistent? What are the conditions? How can we check they are consistent or inconsistent? Gautam, how can we check a system of equations, a pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent? How can we check? No, maybe network problem. Children, did you completed homework questions? You did? Sovel, Devasana, you did the homeworks? Devasana and Justin, you did the homework? Justin?
Yes, ma'am.
Lena?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Lena, how can we know a system has a solution? Consistency and inconsistency depends. If a system has solution, that system is consistent. If it has no solution, that system is inconsistent. But how can we know a system has solution? How can we know? Lena? Shweta, how can we know a system has solution?
Ma'am, I was not there in the last class.
When is my last class? When is it? My last class is on Thursday. After that, you didn't complete the notes? Shweta?
Ma'am, I completed the notes.
Then find out how can we understand the system. Maria, how can we know a system has solution? Maria.
Ma'am,
Wait, Fisan, wait.
A1 by A2
Uh,
equal to B1 by B2.
A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Navneet.
ma'am, ma'am, A1x plus B2x plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2 y plus C2 is equal to 0.
So,
Ma'am,
wait. Okay. Navneet, okay. Continue, Navneet.
ma'am, A1 by A2 is not equal to 0. B1 by B2 then it is consistently.
So how much solution for that? If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, it is consistent. And how many?
Unique solution.
Unique solution. Only one solution. Unique solution. Then Nihal. So condition for one solution is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Then Nihal. What next? Minha. Nihal, we can't hear you. Minha.
Yes, sir. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then it is parallel.
If they are parallel, does that system has solution, Minha?
No, ma'am.
No. So I'm asking how can we know the system has solution? First condition, it has a unique solution. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, it has a unique solution. Then after that, I'm asking
If
about the condition for
A1 by
solution.
A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, consider like
C1 by
infinitely
C2.
many.
Infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, it has unique solution, and A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. The lines are coincident and it has infinitely many solutions. These are the two conditions for solution. If they have solution, they are consistent. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2, the lines are parallel and it does not have solution, any solution, no solution. In such case that they are inconsistent. How many times I have repeated this?
That in same paper.
Ah,
Basic not there.
same paper you have to do. Okay. So, when x equal to 3, what's the value of y? X equal to 3, what is the value of y?
1.
Is it 1?
4 by 1.
4 by 1. 2 into 3 minus 3y equal to 12. 6 minus 3y equal to 12 minus 3y equal to 12 minus 6 minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by minus 3, it is minus 2. Do the calculations correctly. Minus 2. Now take your graph paper, the same graph. First point 0, negative 4. 0, negative 4. Where is that negative 4?
Ma'am, on X 1.
0, negative 4.
On Y 1.
On y-axis. Very good. On y-axis. This is negative 4.
Now can you show that board to draw 2x minus 3y is equal to 12? That question. Now can you show the
Okay.
okay.
0, negative 4. 0, negative 4 here. This point, negative 4. Next point is what? 6, 0. 6, 0, the same point. 6, 0. And 3, negative 2. 3, negative 2. This point. 3, negative 2.
Ma'am, I cannot see the graph.
I 1 minute.
Okay.
Table 11 right 6 0 negative 4.
Point you want to see?
No, table I was writing the table small.
This one no. This one no.
No. 0 by negative 4. That table it will finish. I'm finished.
Now plot the points. This you can extend lines. So first one, write the name x plus 3y equal to 6. X plus 3y equal to 6. This one. And the other one is 2x minus 3y. All should write this way also. On the near to that line, you have to write the equation of that line. 2x minus 3y equal to 2. What about the lines? What is the number of equation, number of solution, or about the consistency? What can we say about these lines? The lines are
Intersecting.
the lines are
Intersecting.
intersecting. The lines are intersecting and they have unique solution. And the solution will be the point of intersection. On which point are they intersecting? On which point are they intersecting at? On which point they are intersecting?
Ma'am, and 6.
Huh?
Uh,
They are intersecting at this point. Its coordinates is what?
Ma'am, x-axis.
X-axis 6. So 6 comma y. On which point they are intersecting?
Ma'am,
6 comma
Yes, 6.
y coordinate is what there?
0.
0. Very good. Y coordinate is 0.
0.
0. Okay. So the finally on the right side of the graph paper, you can write the answer as the lines are intersecting. The lines are intersecting. Intersecting. Lines are intersecting. And the unique solution is the point of intersection. The point of intersection, that is 6 comma 0. Since they are intersecting and it has unique solution, we can say that equations are consistent. Therefore, equations are consistent. This much is the answer. Question, check we need to whether the following system is consistent or not. Since they are intersecting, we can say that the system is consistent. They are intersecting and their solution is, question is solve. Solving means we need to find the value of x and y. So solution is 6 comma 0, that is x equal to 6, y equal to 0 is the solution. This is the solution. Solve mean finding value of x and y. So x coordinate is the value of x, that is x equal to 6, y equal to 0 is the solution. X equal to 6, y equal to 0 is the solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Man, can you show that graph?
If you want, you can extend to both the sides. Graph can be extended. Here it is intersecting at the point 6 comma 0. Nabil, is it over? Wrote all the points? Solution x equal to 6 and y equal to 0 that you wrote? Nabil?
Ma'am, what is the green color 0?
6 comma 0. 6 comma 0. That point of intersection, this point.
Here.
6 comma 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you show the graph one more time?
Sure, sure. Bastian, you wrote the answer? Bastian. Can you hear me, Bastian? Ashik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
But we can't see you. We can see only your roof. Now it's okay.
I'm asking, sir.
Hmm?
I'm asking, sir.
What? Over? Shall I start the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, solve graphically. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Inconsistent. If consistent, solve graphically. If consistent, solve graphically. If consistent, solve graphically. If consistent, solve graphically. Okay. So for checking consistent or inconsistent, what can we do? First of all, we need to check whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. What we will do? Huh?
A1, A2 is equal
Yes. Equations I didn't give. Equations I didn't give. The equation is x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. 2x plus 2y equal to 10.
Ma'am, this is the question.
Aaron, what was the condition? How can we check the given equations are consistent or inconsistent? What we
No.
need to find, Aaron?
Ma'am,
Uh,
A1 by A2 is equal to B1.
Okay. First of all, you write what is A1, B1,
A1
C1.
is equal to X, 1X.
A1 equal to?
1X, X unseen. 1X.
So 1. Only 1. No need to say 1x. 1.
1.
B1?
1.
1.
1.
C1?
C1, 5.
Negative
Is it
5.
5? Negative 5.
Negative.
Because you have, yes, negative 5. Because you have to write in the standard form. It is not in the standard form. So 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. So it is negative 5. Delvin, A2? Delvin. A2 is what, Delvin?
I know.
Wait. Delvin. A2 is? Delvin? 2. No need to say x, only coefficient. A2 is 2. B2?
Ma'am, how that Y1 came?
There's here 1.
In the whole one, it will came Y.
Only y, x plus y. Their coefficients are 1.
Okay.
Delvin, C2?
10.
Is it 10? Negative 10. Negative 10. Now find A1 by A1 by A2. A1 by A2 equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is also 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is negative 5 by negative 10. That also 1 by 2. So here what happened? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So we can say what, Sriram? So we can say
Inconsistent.
They are?
Inconsistent.
Is it inconsistent?
Consistent.
Consistent and
Coincident.
coincident. Consistent equations. Consistent equations. Lines are coincident. Infinitely many solution. Many solution that we need to draw in our graph. Question, if consistent, solve graphically. So we need to show graphically it has infinitely many solution. This infinitely many solution we need to show using the graph. That we need to show they are coincident lines. That we need to show using graph. Okay, children, that we will do in the next period. It's graphs we will do in the next period. Okay,
Okay.
because our time is up. So we will draw the graphs of these two equations. Next period is at when it is?
Ma'am, I think 12 o'clock.
No.
2
yes,
o'clock.
2 o'clock.